Hi dear all students, today I am again here in front of you for part 2 video. For yesterday's 6th standard lesson already we started with the basic concept of geometry, in which we learn all the basic part, what the names of different diagrams, and depend on that we started already practice set 1. In that practice set 1 we already completed our question number 1. Let us start today with question number 2. Question number 2 is here, write the different names of the line. So how to write different names of the line? The diagram is here on the screen. You can observe the main line is here L. The main line is here L. So you have to write the answer first as a line L. This is a common name of that line L. Now we have to start from 4 points are there, point A, point B, point C and point D. Due to these points, again newly we can write the names of that lines. Start from first point and go ahead by one point. Here from line AB, line AC, line AD. Now start with point B. Line BC, write the names in capital points. Line BD, and from point C, line CD. No need to write line BA, no need to write line CA, because already BA means only AB, CA means only AC. So no need to come reverse direction, always go from first point to ahead and take one by one point joining to the line name. Like this way we complete our second number question. Hope so you understand. At home, for your homework purpose, you will draw one more diagram, one more line, give name to that line as a line M, and take any 5 or 6 point on a line for your practice and write the names of that different lines. Complete this work also joining to the question number 2 as a homework part. Now question number 3 is here, match the following. For match the following we not using the cross line method, directly A side and answer side we are using. So the diagrams are given in A side and we have to write answers of that diagram from the B side. So here it is a line segment. It's a line segment. Line and line segment. Segment having the perfect measurement. So second is a line segment. Yesterday we learned about that already. Arrow. So it is a line and different perfect measurement is segment. This is a plane. So from the option side, the options are already there, and the last is a, yes, it is a ray. So the last to match answer is a ray. Like this way, the 4 diagrams name we wrote on a board. Have a look on board for the answers. You write in a notebook in a clean and clear way these answers. And now for after few minutes, let's ready for question number 4. So we completed question number 2 and 3 of problem set first. And now 4th question is there on board. The diagram I drawn here for question number 4. The question is, observe the figure below. So this figure observation, we have to write the answers of, they ask questions. They say to us, write down name of the parallel lines, the concurrent lines and the point of concurrence. So for writing the answers of these 3 questions, we have to observe the diagram properly and we have to write the answer. I will explain you, see proper way, observe the diagram and see here. Parallel lines means which are going in the same plane, the lines in the same directions and they can never touch to each other. In this diagram, point A, point C, point D, 3 points are there, across which more number of lines are there, line A, line B, line C, line M, this is line P, this is line Q. So to write these all lines name, which lines they ask? They ask for parallel lines. So for parallel lines, you observe here with the chalk I am drawing in the same direction lines. So this is the first group of parallel lines. See this blue color and this. These are the parallel lines. 1, 2, 3 highlighted. So write the name as the first part group. Line B, line M and line Q. These are one group which are in same direction of one bunch of parallel lines. Line B is parallel to line M, is parallel to line Q and to each other. Now second group in the opposite direction, this one, line A and line P. These are also parallel lines in this direction. So we have to write them. Line A and line P. So there are 3 lines parallel in this direction and 2 lines are parallel in this another direction. So these are the 2 answer line of parallel line. Hope so you understand. Concurrent lines. Concurrent means from a center point, that are this center point are called as a point of concurrence. These are the point of concurrence. Through point of concurrence more than 2 lines are passes. That point are called as a points of concurrence. So from this point of concurrence which lines are passing, that lines group are called as a concurrent lines. First we see C is not a concurrence, point of concurrence, because only one line is passing through C. Only one line is passing through C. But from point A and from point D, number of lines are passing from the center, that same point. That is called as a points of concurrence. Point of concurrence. So point of concurrence we can write here. First you may write this. Point of concurrence through which more lines are passing. Here only one is passing, so no, this is not answer. Only your answer is point A and point D. These are 2 point of concurrence, and through this point of concurrence which lines are passing, that are known as concurrent lines. So from point A which lines are passing? 1, 2, 3. We have to write here line A, comma, line B, comma, line C. And from point D, 2 lines are passing, that are line P and line Q. So second number, line P and line Q. This A, B, C from point A, this P and Q from point D. So these questions they ask to us, which are the parallel lines? We wrote the answer. They ask concurrent lines. We wrote the answer. And they ask points of concurrent. I wrote the answer. I explain in a brief way you. Question number 4 also. In this way our practice set, problem set first is completed today. If you have to draw the nice diagram of each question in notebook, complete the whole practice set. Yesterday already I told you write down the short notes, that chart which I shown in the previous video, problem set first problem, and now today we completed our question number 2, 3 and 4. So write down these all questions with suitable diagram with instruments and their proper answers. I hope you understand all my teaching part yesterday and today. If any doubt, you may clear that when we visit in school. You will keep that doubt by underlining way which you not understand. I will clear that when we are in front of each other in a school. As well as you complete in all the activities in a nice handwriting. So students, this is our first lesson, geometry, basic concept of geometry, which was very small one, and we completed all the part of that lesson. I hope you don't have any doubt. You may clear your doubt. You may take any points on these lines. You may more draw lines, and for your practice, you practice to write other name of the lines that you can do as extra work. But complete the whatever work I told to you. Have a nice day. Take care. From next video number 3rd for 6th standard, we'll start with a new lesson. Which was that lesson? I will explain the name of that lesson in that video only. And For your practice purpose, remain in touch with video. Visit the video properly and listen each word carefully. Have a nice day. Keep safe to yourself. Wash your hands frequently and remain safe with your family. Thank you. Have a nice day.